Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I highlighted the horizontal level at 114,700. Price initially bounced off it, but shortly after, it revisited and broke below it heading into Saturday. The next major support was at 113,600. Heat map data showed long positions stacked down to 113,100. Once price tapped that zone, it triggered a wave of liquidations and position closures, cascading down to 112,700. We've now bounced above 113,700. The 1-hour wave trend shows a bullish divergence, and money flow is starting to curve upward, early signs of potential stabilization. Zooming out, the 3-day liquidation heat map shows most key levels below us have been wiped. In the past 24 hours, total liquidations reached $723.37 million, of which $639.77 million were longs, a brutal one-sided flush. So, what caused the drop? One likely reason, the revised jobs data turned out weaker than expected. Add to that the new inflation estimate of just 1.67%, showing prices are cooling while the labor market softens. This mix increases the chance of earlier Fed rate cuts. We also saw geopolitical tension in Asia ramp up. During that window, the S&P 500 dropped 3.33% from Thursday's high to Friday's close. Gold, meanwhile, rose 2.49%, what you'd expect in uncertain times. But Bitcoin mirrored equities, not gold. Why? Possibly due to institutional exposure. Big funds treat Bitcoin as a risk asset, trading it in sync with equities. That could explain the tight correlation with the S&P 500. Now this could be a local bottom, but weekend volumes are thinner, which gives bigger players more control with less capital. One final note, that whale who took a 40 times leveraged long worth $76 million on Hyperliquid, liquidation around 102,900, closed today at 112,600, losing about $2 million. It became a viral story, but it's a harsh reminder. Keep leverage in single digits and manage your risk. As for me, my long positions are still open. Entries are now around 117,000, one at 116,400, and another at 115,800. I haven't added more yet. I want to stay flexible in case we drop further. Smart position sizing and risk control will always give you a longer edge in this space. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time thoughts. Click the like button if this video gave you value. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.